All right, so I'm going to show you how to model this indentation up here, this triangle indentation. All right, and as you've read and probably worked through in the workbook, hopefully, is that there's lots of ways we can go about doing this, right? I think the easiest way would be for me to think about this is to extract this piece and extrude the top and make the necessary adjustments. So that's what I'm going to do. So to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to face mode first off, right? And make sure I select the face that needs to be cut out. Then we go up here to edit mesh, and I'm going to go down here to extract, right? And this should extract this piece. As you can see, we have the polygon surfaces here, where we have two surfaces. And if I move this around here, I hit the Z, so you can see I can push this in. Something like this, right? Is going to be good, which is fine. Now what I can do is now have this split up between here. So I can hit this surface right here, and I can extrude this by going to edit mesh, and I can go down to extrude, which is right here, and this gives me an idea of what thickness I can do. So I can move this around here, right, and I can add a thickness of like -1, right, which is going to be kind of big. That's all right, I can make those adjustments, okay? So I'm happy with the way this looks, which is fine. So now I am going to go ahead and go to the scale tool, right? And make sure that I get the right one, which is here. And I can bring in the edges a little bit like, whoops, like here, right? Where I'm just bringing out the sides, right? And I can now move this up on top like this. Let's see how this looks. That looks pretty good. All around, looks like I need to maybe bring it in a little bit this way. Good. And now, as you can probably see, this needs to be this polygon right here. Right, needs to actually be extended up because I can actually see inside, right? So I need to go ahead and select this and scale this one up as well, just to make that connection. Now what we have here is this nice little indentation. Now I need to do this on both sides, right? So that's the next step, is to go through and get both sides.